Hello. In these videos I'm going to show you how to fix no sound in computer. If you are in trouble like me, then see how to solve. Go to the computer control panel. Then click on the sound. Now right-click on the mouse. Then click on Show Disable Device. Then enable your laptop or desktop speaker. I hope your problem has been resolved after my instruction in this video. If this method does not fix your computer, you can follow the next step. Go to the Device Manager. Then update your audio driver. I hope your problem has been resolved after my instruction in this video. Please click my subscriber channel to encourage me to continue making videos as well. Thank you.